My bags are all packed and I'm ready to go. Excited! So, we're obviously at PNA, yay! And we're doing some demos. So I've done some nice, pretty cards. And we've done a whole bunch of little Cricut stickers as well. So some people to come and take some home. Put lots of other stuff on display. Doing lots of tutorials and things like that, or demonstrations rather, I guess. We've got lots of stuff with us, and it's actually quite nice having people come up to you and, like, you know, talking to you about the machines and things like that. So it's a lot of fun. And that, folks, is a wrap. So we're done for the day. Going to be packing all of this up. Quite a bit of destruction in our wake, but still looks good, I think, and it was a great day. Lots of people came up, lots of people were very excited about the machines, so it's been a lot of fun. Okay, so today is day 2. I am on my way to Canal Walk this time, and it is going to be fun. I obviously had a lot of fun yesterday. Sorry I didn't get too much talking footage. It's crazy how, you know, how these things go when you're busy. You kind of like just, I mean, I'm very much an in the moment kind of person. Like, you'll very seldom find me taking photos when I'm out with friends and things like that, because I just tend to kind of be in the moment a little bit. And oh, turning a corner makes my camera go wonky, and I tend to forget to take footage and cameras and photos and things like that. So I'm not really good at the whole vlogging thing. Don't worry, I'll probably get better. I'd like to not necessarily do more vlogs, but vlogs of these kinds of events and things like that, you know. I think those are quite fun when they're unique events. This is obviously going to happen quite often, so I'm not necessarily going to vlog every single one of them. I think that would get a little bit repetitive. Hey, look, there's a little circus thingy. Obviously a non-animal circus, because animal circuses are next level awful. Anyway, that's not the point. Yeah, so I really want to be doing more vlog type content of these kinds of things, and you know, with the illness allowing and everything, we'll see how many events like this there actually are. Hopefully there'll be a few more, because that will be quite fun. And yeah, I think I'm looking forward to meeting a whole bunch more people. I know that my mom is popping through today, which is going to be quite fun because she lives kind of on the other side of Cape Town. So it'll be fun to see her. So we'll see you guys at the stand. We're here. So we finally arrived. Now I've got to unpack everything, get it all into PNA, which by my calculations should be as close to this exit as I can remember. And well, let's hope I was right anyway, because that would be awkward. But I've brought myself some pizza because last time I got really hungry. Forgot something to drink. Oh well, I'll ask my mom to bring me something when she comes later. And let's get this started. Okay, so my battery died in the middle of the last setup, so it's actually kind of nice. Now I get to give you a little bit of a tour of my setup. And that, my dear friends, is a wrap. That was a very, very, very successful day at PNA. I thoroughly enjoyed it. The staff were absolutely incredible. There were lots of people coming up to me all the time, and a couple of people from, like, for you guys that support the channel, which is amazing. Thank you very much for coming to say hi. And lots of new people as well that didn't know anything about a Cricut. And just being able to explain to them what a Cricut is, what it does, was actually really cool. I really enjoyed it. So a huge thanks to PNA. This, obviously, I was at Canal Walk today and PNA Durbanville yesterday. And a huge thanks to Cricut South Africa. You guys were amazing at organizing all of this. It was a great day. I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I will see you in 2 weeks' time. Thanks very much for watching, everybody. I hope to see you in my next video. And remember, be kind to someone today. See you soon.